The structure and appearance of an assembly are paramount to improving performance and workflow in a document. It is strongly recommended to instance parts in an assembly, not a part studio. Instancing in the part studio creates discrete parts with unique IDs. Assemblies render multiple instances of the same component faster than separate components. Even if they are geometrically identical, the assembly interprets them as distinct components. Assemblies can be organized into folders or subassemblies. Select instances from the instance list, then right-click and select either Add Selection to Folder or Move to New Subassembly. Folders make it easier to hide and show components and improve document readability. By ensuring that all subassemblies are rigid when possible, the number of mates Onshape needs to solve decreases drastically, improving assembly responsiveness. For subassemblies with motion, consider creating configurations that suppress dynamic mate relations in exchange for fastened mates to create rigid subassemblies. In the Performance panel, you can view statistics about your current model, such as primitive counts. This panel also warns you of any parts that have very fine tessellation set in their appearance settings. If the number of triangles and lines is especially large, your device may experience longer load times and difficulty interacting with the model. The primitive count threshold varies for different devices. Generally, 5 million or more primitives may cause a noticeable change in performance on a workstation. In the Camera and Render Options drop-down, change the viewing option to Shaded Without Edges. This reduces the number of rendered elements, though it does not affect the geometry. This is useful when viewing particularly large or complex documents on a less powerful device. Another way to improve assembly performance is by hiding complex subassemblies or components that are not applicable to the current workflow. These can be saved as display states from the assembly toolbar. While working with sections of assemblies, select a display state that renders only applicable instances.